The IPO window is open, and the lineup waiting to walk through it is unlike anything the stock market has seen in a generation. SpaceX, Anthropic, Databricks, Stripe, Revolut, Canva, ByteDance, Discord, Kraken. Each one of these companies has been waiting years to go public. In 2026, most of them are finally doing it. Here is every name on the list, what each company does, what it is worth, and why it matters. SpaceX, 75 trillion target valuation. SpaceX filed its S-1 with the SEC on May 20, 2026. The IPO is expected to price June 11 or 12 and would be the largest public offering in history, surpassing Saudi Aramco's 2019 record. Goldman Sachs is leading a 21-bank syndicate. SpaceX operates across 3 lines. Falcon 9 rocket launches, the Starlink satellite internet network serving over 4 million subscribers globally, the profitable ARM, and the developmental Starship program, which is where the company intends to deploy the bulk of IPO proceeds toward an accelerated launch rate, AI-powered data centers in space, and lunar infrastructure. The Starlink business alone justifies a significant valuation. The full $1.75 trillion price tag asks investors to believe in everything else too. Anthropic, $61 billion plus valuation. Anthropic built Claude, the AI assistant used by BlackRock, Pfizer, and dozens of Fortune 500 companies. It is targeting a public listing as soon as October 2026. Anthropic's annualized run rate revenue crossed $4.4 billion as of May 2026, and the company is on track to post its first ever operating profit, approximately $559 million, in the second quarter of 2026, per a source cited by CNBC. That profitability milestone makes Anthropic the most financially ready of the major AI IPOs in the 2026 class. Enterprise software penetration gives it a durable revenue base that most AI companies cannot yet claim. OpenAI, $852 billion valuation. OpenAI's last funding round valued it at $852 billion, the most valuable private company in the world. It is targeting a fourth quarter public debut. OpenAI has not yet reached profitability and has missed its own internal revenue targets. According to reports, it remains in an active legal dispute with Elon Musk. At this valuation, OpenAI is priced as if it has already won the AI race. The public market will have its own view on that. Databricks, $134 billion valuation. Databricks is the most underappreciated company on this list. It builds the infrastructure that lets enterprises use AI on their own proprietary data. The pickaxe seller in the AI gold rush, as Thierry von Arvey's April 2026 IPO class analysis describes it, $4.8 billion in annualized recurring revenue, 55% growth, 80% gross margins, positive free cash flow, and, critically, it is the only profitable company in the entire IPO class of 2026. Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley are leading the deal. The S-1 is expected mid-summer. If you are interested in AI infrastructure without the pre-profit risk that shadows SpaceX and OpenAI, Databricks is the name to watch most closely on this list. Stripe, $91.5 to his $159 billion valuation. Stripe is the financial infrastructure powering commerce for millions of businesses, from startup Fortune 500 companies. It processes hundreds of billions in payments annually, already profitable, already at scale. The cleanest, most straightforward business model on this list, per the IPO class of 2026 analysis. Stripe has signaled an H1 2026 debut, which puts it in the immediate window. For investors looking for a technology IPO with demonstrable earnings rather than forward projections, Stripe is the name most fund managers are watching. Subscribe, because the next 5 companies on this list include a Chinese tech giant, a European neobank, a design platform used by 260 million people, a gaming community app, and a crypto exchange that just closed a major deal with one of Europe's largest stock exchanges. ByteDance, $480 $500 billion valuation. ByteDance is the Chinese technology giant. behind TikTok and Douyin, the short-form video platforms with over 1 billion combined users globally. Its valuation sits between $480 and $500 billion, making it the largest privately held company in China. ByteDance is considering a 2026 listing with Hong Kong as the primary venue. The political dimension is real and material. TikTok's operating status in the United States has been subject to legislative pressure and bans, which creates regulatory risk that does not affect most companies on this list. ByteDance is a business generating extraordinary revenue from its recommendation algorithm and advertising model. Its IPO, if it happens, will be one of the most closely watched geopolitical and financial events of the year. Revolut's $75 billion valuation. Revolut is the European neobank that has quietly become one of the most significant fintech companies in the world. 65 million customers across more than 100 countries, $4 billion in revenue, and $4 billion in pre-tax profit. It is targeting $9 billion in revenue by the end of 2026. Revolut filed a confidential S-1 with the SEC in early 2026 and has chosen Nasdaq over its home London market, citing higher fintech multiples and a deeper retail investor base. At $75 billion, it would be the largest fintech IPO of the 2026 cycle. The business is profitable, growing fast, and genuinely global. Canva $56 billion valuation has democratized graphic design, 260 million monthly users, $3.5 billion in revenue. Profitable for 8 consecutive years, a streak that almost no high-growth technology company at this scale can match. Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley are leading the deal. A dual listing on both the NYSE and the ASX in Australia is under consideration, which would make it one of the most broadly accessible IPOs on this list for international retail investors. Canva is not the most glamorous company in the 2026 class, which is precisely why it may be one of the most underrated. Discord, $15 billion expected valuation. Discord has confirmed it is in the confidential IPO filing stage. Over 200 million monthly active users. Revenue approaching $600 million annually. Discord's monetization model is subscription-heavy through its Nitro tier rather than advertising-dependent, which gives it a more defensible revenue base than most consumer platforms. It competes in the same general space as Reddit, which went public in 2024, and the comparison will drive its valuation conversation in the public market. Kraken, $20 billion valuation. Kraken is one of the largest and most established cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It filed a confidential S-1 in Q1 2026 and recently closed a major deal with Deutsche Börse, one of Europe's largest stock exchanges, signaling a push into institutional-grade market infrastructure. At $20 billion, Kraken's valuation reflects the crypto market's current momentum, is the only pure-play crypto exchange on this IPO list, which makes it the highest risk and highest volatility name in the class. Crypto market cycles are real, and they move faster than IPO timelines. Inspire Brands, $20 billion target of rounding out the list. Inspire Brands, the Atlanta-based restaurant group that owns Dunkin', Buffalo Wild Wings, Arby's, Sonic, and Baskin-Robbins. It filed confidentially and is targeting up to $2 billion in proceeds. It is the only traditional, cash flow positive consumer business on this list, and the counter-programming to an otherwise AI and tech-heavy class. 11 companies, combined estimated valuations exceeding $3 trillion. The 2026 IPO class represents the largest concentration of private market value entering the public market in history. Some of these businesses are extraordinary. Some are priced for perfection. Most are both. Which one is on your watch list? Drop the name in the comments and subscribe.